5 car checks that even beginners can do. Don't you know anything about cars? Don't worry. Don't you know anything about cars? Don't worry. Let's find out 5 simple ways to manage a car that anyone can check. 1. Belt. All you have to do is check the visible part. Let's just make sure the visible part is split. If it is cracked, it should be replaced. 2. Engine oil. When the oil gauge is removed 10 minutes after turning off the engine, it is normal to be in the line. 3. Coolant. To see if there is a reasonable amount. Too much is not good. 4. Battery. If there is white on the outside of the battery is in bad condition because sulfuric acid came out. Normal batteries produce 12.7 volts. 5. Automission oil. If the color is wine, it's still fine. I don't know where you're looking at this video. Always be healthy and happy. If you want to know new news every day, please subscribe and like.